Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our project, and in this video we're going to make a randomizer. For example, you flip a coin, it will either show heads or tails. So okay, first of all we'd like to import random, like we did math now, but we import random so that it can random things. For example, now we have to create a new variable. We'll name it result equals random dot int random integer 0 or 1. Close up brackets, and next I'd like to do is just write an if statement. So all we do is if result equals 0 colon, and then print tails, then we write else colon, alright, print heads. So okay, now let's run it. So as you see, heads, next tails, tails, yes, stop, tails, stop, tails, stop, tails. Oh, heads, where are the heads? So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.